DNA astrological, astronomical, Vastu Sastra connection. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that contains the genetic instructions used in the development and function of all living organisms. Scientific perspective. From a scientific perspective, DNA is a double-stranded helix made up of nucleotides with a specific sequence of base pairs that determine the genetic code. Astronomical connection. Some researchers have explored potential links between 1. Cosmic rays and DNA mutations. Cosmic rays can cause DNA mutations, potentially influencing the evolution of life. 2. Astrobiology and DNA origins. The study of astrobiology explores the possibility of life existing elsewhere in the universe and the potential origins of DNA. Astrological perspective. From an astrological perspective, some believe that 1. Planetary influences, planetary positions and transits might influence an individual's DNA, potentially affecting their traits and characteristics. 2. Astrological signatures. Astrological signatures, such as birth charts, might be linked to specific DNA patterns or genetic predispositions. Vastu Shastra connection. Vastu Shastra, an ancient Indian practice, explores the relationship between the built environment and the natural world. Some believe that 1. Environmental influences, the design and layout of buildings, according to Vastu principles, might influence the energy patterns within a space, potentially affecting the occupant's DNA or well-being. 2. Energy patterns. Vastu practitioners believe that specific energy patterns, such as the flow of prana or life force, might interact with an individual's DNA, influencing their health and vitality. Conclusion. Understanding the complexities of DNA and its interactions with the environment can provide valuable insights into the intricate web of life.